Finally. Grab a seat. Enjoy the show. This is history.
It's chicken. You don't want leftover chicken.
No. He said, and the idea is you order in. Oh, you fuck knuckle.
Say my name.
Straight.
That's going on Scotty's.
You're up, babe.
That was funny. Come on, go!
A few minutes later.
Go! That way. One way! Oh, wrong way. Whoa! What are you doing? Oh, red light. DJA85S. Whoa! YMF060. Jumped over the line there. I bet you're going to go straight as well. Yep. Nice one. Oh, you're actually turning right in there? It's one way, you can't go in there.
I don't think he gives a shit.
Don't give me a finger! No. No. One way!
Oh, I smell something funny. Oh my god, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week!
Don't try to understand them, just round them up and brand them with a Southern Cross tattoo and sleeves both sides. It's true they don't like reading, but they're very good at breeding with Brandon, Shannon, Dax, and Finch and Kai. Get a job, get a root, get her pregnant in the ute. No, they don't like immigration, let's hide. In the pub, Jack and Coke, play some pool, smash some bloke. What a Saturday night.
You're a pack of assholes.
Let's see how this turns out. Oh, I knew that was going to happen.
Last year we had the big float fire.
That was pretty clever.
It's been called a structural failure.
This is consistent.
Are you consistently shit?
Say their son could still be alive if the bail laws they're advocating for were in place. The robo-death inquiry has been told by a former official that the ill-fated 95-year-old fell from his tractor after it became bogged beside a dam on Sunday afternoon. Neighbours found the man.
Oh, you go through the red. You'll be right.
Australia's life expectancy has continued to rise, with the baby boy expected to now live.
One minute later.
Yo.
You people. What the fuck is wrong with you?
A bicycle.
Oh, I did a skid!
Act your age. Get a car.
What? Come on. What? Come on.
Well, what in the fuck are you waiting for, Private Pile?
Cái gì cả thôi hả?
잠깐만.
Mà 睡着了吧？你在干嘛？脸都贴在方向盘上了。是吗？Fucking idiot!
You've got to be joking. You're doing that there? Fucking idiot.
Oh, what a fuckhead. What an absolute bastard.
All right. Oh my fucking god. Holy shit.
Oh, you're a fucking winner. Fuck's sake!
Why did you get a $50 gift card?
I'm going to set up to, if you spend $250, you get a $50 gift card.
Didn't we just buy my laptop? Dad, okay, stop being...
Fucking dickhead cunt!
Didn't we just buy my laptop so you would have $50 discount from that?
It feel like Houston, it feel like Philly, it feel like DC, it feel like VA, or the Bay, oh yeah. Hey, this is the good life. Only tell me what's good. Why only got a line when you in the hood? I'm in the hood. Oh, you done?
What the fuck?
Jesus, fuck. What the fuck? This guy's exhaust.